Hey everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. It's so good to have you. And guess what? It's Valentine's Day this weekend. I know it's not everyone who celebrates, but in case you're celebrating and you're looking for a yummy dessert to make, you can even use this if you want to propose or to surprise your loved one. And what I'm making today is hidden hearts cupcakes. So they've got little love hearts on the inside. Not only can you use this for Valentine's, you can use it for any surprise party where you want to hide something on the inside. So let me show you how you make these hidden hearts cupcakes. So our cupcakes are ready. I have iced some of them. It's up to you whether you want to ice or not. I've just done it so they look beautiful, and if you can see, I've done little flowers, little rosettes since it's Valentine's, so it's just going with the theme. And you can see on the inside here we've got our beautiful heart. So you can use this for Valentine's, or if you want to do a gender reveal, you can also use the same technique. And these cupcakes are beautiful. They've got a nice texture, very soft on the inside, and I think I'm just gonna give one a try. Very nice, beautiful crumb, delicious.